In today's videos, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to make a lemon cheesecake, but the base, I'm going to use a sponge for the base rather than digestive biscuit, so stay tuned. What I have here is egg, sugar, flour. That's all I'm going to go in it. So the egg in, sugar in, then you put your whisk on. What I'm looking for here, I'm whisking the egg and sugar until it gets nice and fluffy and thick. Then I'll fold the flour in. It 1.5 minutes more. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to zest some of the lemon in this. Then I'm going to add my flour. Fold it in. baking pan. Now put it in the oven. Gonna give it about 15 minutes. Then I'll wait for it, so stay tuned. So while the cake is in the oven, I'm gonna prepare my lemon and my cream cheese for the filling for the cheesecake. So I'm gonna zest some lemon inside the bowl. And here I have some sugar. Put the sugar in. Should be enough. Squeeze the lemon. With it, I'll probably use about 2 lemons, because they're pretty large. I'm going to use mascarpone cheese. I'm gonna add a bit of salt for balance. I'll put the rest of the lemon juice in. Now the sponge is out of the oven. Sponge just coming out. So that's ready. Let it cool a bit. Now I'm gonna add a bit of gelatin in it. You don't have to, but it's personal preference. With this, I'm going to put the cake in the same pan to set. But I'm going to add a little bit of butter inside it, because they're the same shape. Turn the machine off. So I'm going to cut it in half. Try to get it as even as possible. If this video is of any help to you guys, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and leave positive comment. Okay, so that's going to be my top part. This, I'll put it back in the bottom of this. Then I have some simple sugar. This is just like vanilla and sugar and some water. So I'm just gonna put a bit on the sponge just to keep it a little bit moist. I'm gonna use a spoon, pressing down a bit to the corner. This one, the same, give him a little bit of drizzle for the simple syrup. Just help keep it moist, add a bit of extra flavor to it. Now my experience teaches me a lot of things. Normally work as a baker before. Yeah, so okay. Now I'm gonna put this over. And then this, ladies and gentlemen, go on top like so. I don't have to worry about this part, that will sort out itself. Then I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it relax and come together. So this is what it looked like, and then after I take it out of the fridge, I'll let you see what it looked like. Stay tuned. While I'm waiting for the cake to set in the fridge, here I have some water, lemon. You can use orange juice also. What I'm doing, I'm making a syrup. Some people call it like a glaze to go with the lemon cheesecake. So I have I will remove the lemon. So it's lemon, sugar, water, a bit of orange. And then I'm gonna thicken it a bit with some corn flour. this here. I have some corn flour mixed with water. I don't want it too thick, so I'm just watching the consistency. As soon as it's ready, I'm going to pour it in this bottle. And now this is ready. So I'll just pour it in here. Put a lid on it. And just put it in this, some water. Let it cool down a bit quicker. Now the cake is ready. Just take it out of the fridge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it aside here and set my plate up. This is the same like orange sop which come out which I was boiling. Just use it to make decoration. Then I'm going to put a half a cherry on it. Then I'm going to use my syrup that I made earlier. It's made a drizzle. Okay. And this is the moment of truth. Look at this. Set that aside. Yeah, the cake here. Put that on the side here. And this is what it looked like. This is my homemade lemon cheesecake. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, like and share, as I said before, and leave positive comments. Thanks for watching.